In this video, we will learn how to group rows in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have some data here. Just select any cell and click on the data tab. Click on the group. Here you can see in outline. Click on this arrow. Click on the auto outline. Now you can see here the 1, 2 with the line with the minus sign. Okay. When you click on this small box, the row is in group. Click on this, you can see here the all row is group. If you click again, you can see here the row is ungroup. Here you can another way you can, if you click on one, you get the all row in group. If you click in two, the all row is ungroup. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.